Let me show you the easiest way on how to draw a perfect eyeliner using an eyeliner brush. You don't even have to use a felt tip brush for an eyeliner or even a pencil liner. Let's do the brush eyeliner, which is considered to be the hardest, which is not a beginner's eyeliner in people's eyes, but I don't see it that way, not because I'm used to doing it and I'm very comfortable doing it, but because I think if we know the technique and if we try to practice the technique, it's gonna eventually get much easier, and you won't even feel that it's not a beginner. You will be able to nail it. Let's start with the first step. So the first step is going to be drawing a line from the end of your lower lash line to whatever angle you're trying to get. So if you're going for a siren eye, it would have to be really sharp and lifted. So siren eye and foxy eye would have a very angled one that almost like looks like this, where it's lifting the eye all the way up and it's mimicking an eye lift. Whereas a regular eye would be more like almond eye or just a regular extension of your natural eye. You can do it more like horizontally, so the angle really depends on what kind of eye lift you're looking to achieve. So let me walk you through how you can achieve it, and you can do any angle you want. I'm just gonna give you the basics, the foundation on how you can achieve it. So the first step is drawing a line from your lower lash line, wherever it is, and just drawing a line up. It doesn't matter, you can extend it as much as you want. Then the second step, you know how I like, instead of having my head like this, I just tilt it down to see where is the end of the crease. And this is the end of my crease, so it is here. I place a dot, and then I try to link the dot to the bottom of the eyeliner. So you see I have now a line, and then I have the end of the crease and a line extending from it, and now I have to link this part to this part. You can make it as thin as you want or as thick as you want. So then I link the end of the crease to the bottom of the eyeliner, and then I have to link the end of the crease here to my lash line, just an extension, and I fill in